Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rickie and I am a professional makeup artist and ballroom dance competitor. Today I have a little bit more of a vlog style video for you guys because we are going to be decluttering and reorganizing my entire makeup collection. So I'm pretty ashamed of what I'm about to show you guys because I have way too much makeup for the amount of storage I have. So let me first just show you what we're working with. So this is the current situation. So this is my vanity. Inside here, because I only have one drawer, this is so stuffed, jam-packed, full with all different types of makeup. All my makeup used to fit in this singular drawer. That is no longer a reality. In the last year, I have collected a lot more makeup, so I need to figure out how to utilize this space better. Moving on to the top of my vanity, like I said, I used to be able to keep all of this clear, but there's just literally just such random piles of stuff here that I cannot deal with. Now we move to the bottom. This bag here is literally just a light. This is a BoxyCharm box that I haven't unboxed yet. Random makeup palettes. That's my ring light. I have a bunch of makeup stuff here. I have a bunch of eyelashes that need to be taken care of. Also in here, I have another newer panel light, which is the exact same as that one. This is a pretty decent sized makeup case. Even when I organize all of my little bags that go in it with my client makeup perfectly organized, there's still not enough room to fit all of my stuff in. So today we are going to be going to Michael's. I found a organization unit that is very, very similar to the Alex drawers. I'll put a picture right here in IKEA. I found a dupe at Michael's. I'll put a picture of it right here. It's a bit cheaper and also it's shorter. So my hope is that you can see behind me here, I can fit it underneath my vanity. So we're going to go to the store and get that storage unit. Guys, so we got the unit. I'm really excited. Obviously, this is what it's supposed to look like. I think I'm just gonna build it and not put the wheels on because the measurements without the wheels, it should be able to slide just straight under my vanity. So yeah, it is time to put this thing together. Okay, final before video before we transform this space. Way too much clutter here. Nowhere to put my client makeup. This is just completely bursting from the seams and the top of my vanity is just so crowded. Hopefully at the end of this transformation, we will see something completely different. Okay guys, it is the next day and we are at Target right now. Okay, so I grabbed a few different things, literally anything that I could find that I thought might even fit in my drawers. We're gonna go home and see how literally anything fits. Let's go. Okay, so time for a little Target haul. The first thing I picked up for containers were these hard plastic containers. I picked up these as well. This came in a pack of 2. And also I got one of these, which was also $2. It's by the same company. And they're just really long and skinny. And then I got these, which I saw just at the very entrance of Target. They're mini. They're so small, but I thought maybe because they're kind of stackable, I could put like my pigments in here. Lastly, for organization, I got this, which literally straight up is for your kitchen, clearly. And I think this one was $5. These were each $1. So $1, $1, 2, 2, 2, 5, 4 and 4, and that's what I got for the storage supplies. Okay, you guys, welcome to my floor. Right now, it is time to get down to the nitty-gritty. I am just going to divide my whole entire makeup collection into 3 different piles. The first pile is going to be all the makeup that I want for myself. So my personal makeup, what I use on an everyday basis, and what I want to use like if I'm filming on myself. Pile number 2 is going to be client makeup, client supplies, extra supplies, competition makeup, stuff like that. And the third pile is going to be of all the makeup that I am getting rid of today. I have a lot of makeup that I've collected. Some of it is expired, some of it I didn't like, or some of it I've just had it and I just haven't been using it, and I know that I'm not going to use it. It's hard to get rid of makeup, but I know that I need to let it go. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so the top drawer is pretty much done. I literally barely have any makeup in here because I don't wear really any makeup on a daily basis. I have just 2 palettes, and then this stuff is stuff that I've never used. I've never opened it, and I'm thinking of just like saving it for a giveaway. Okay, so now I need to fit all of this makeup into these 5 drawers, which I think for the most part should be pretty easy, except for the eyelashes. I know those are going to take up a lot of space. I really don't even know how I'm organizing it, so I'm kind of just playing it by ear, and let's just see how it turns out. Oh my gosh, you guys, we did it. It took me about 3 hours to do everything since we got home from the Target run. So now it is time to show you the final product. This is what it looks like from far away. So we have all 5 drawers filled with makeup, the top drawer, the top of the vanity with all of my brushes, my little stool, and then my Zuka case, which just has the empty makeup cases in there. But yeah, I am so glad we got rid of literally everything on the floor, and now I'm going to show you what is inside of each drawer. So we're going to start just with the top drawer here. So first we have all of my personal makeup here, lip stuff, more lip liners, my sponges. This is to keep my hair back when I'm doing a look or something. All of my personal eyelashes. I have 2 mirrors here that I always take with me to competition for clients to look at. I have 2 eyeshadow palettes underneath if I want to film a look. These are single-use client lashes. And then here we get to all my tools that I take with me. So this is just your average tool kit. I am always using this. These are a bunch of disposables that I have. My eyelash curler, my tape. I have a glue stick just in case. I usually don't take that with me, but it's in this area because it's a tool. Then I have my favorite sponges to use on clients, and also some lip sharpeners. Over here we have my makeup removers. I use at least one of these for every single client, so I always have backups. I always bring one of these with me. I'm constantly refilling it just with fresh stuff, and of course just a regular liquid makeup remover as well. These are the complete essentials every time I do a client's makeup. So yeah, that is what is in the top drawer of my vanity. Moving on to the lower drawers now. Here, right in the top drawer is my face drawer. So as you can see, this is literally my favorite foundation, and so I'm not running out anytime soon. I have some setting sprays, and then this right here is my travel size Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, which is super amazing for cleaning brushes in between clients. Then over here we have all of my concealers, my favorite concealers for competitions. I have my pressed powders, my face primers, and then I also have this here because this is like a lotion hydration cream if I have maybe a more mature client who needs a little bit of more moisturization before we get started. So that's like all in the skincare prep stuff. Then we go to the second drawer now. So in this drawer, you'll see it's fairly empty and it's not perfectly sorted. So pretty much I have all my blush stuff here that's not in a palette. So I have my powder blush, another powder blush, some liquid blushes, translucent powders, and then this is just a powder highlight. But since it's square, I just put it with this blush. Then this is pretty much all powder bronzers. I have one cream bronzer, and then this is a highlighter. And then I have my face palettes. I have 2 highlighting palettes, and then this palette is highlighting and blush. So this is kind of just all the face kind of powder and cream products. Okay, up next we have the third drawer, which is probably my absolute favorite drawer. So this is all of my bases, my paints, my liquid liners, my glitter liners, anything that is like colorful and a base or a liner is here. This is going to be all my lip liners and mostly lip glosses here. And then these are going to be all my lip bases, lipsticks, and liquid lipsticks. Now we get over here, which is my absolute favorite part. I'm really glad that I got these 2 little things from Target because they're super easily stackable. So the bottom one is going to be for the pigments and glitters that I use a little bit less often, but I still really like them, and they're definitely a lot of a bigger pigment size. These on top, I'm going to reach for a lot more often, and these are pretty much like what I call like micro glitters or micro pigments. They're so finely milled. All of these are by Peaches and Cream, except this one down here. This is by e.l.f. I've had it for years, and I'm just obsessed with all of these pigments. Last but not least, we have a little tiny tub back here, which has my Peaches and Cream pigment drops. So I actually have 2 of these. One is just by another brand, and then I have a little glue here for my bigger glitters underneath my pigments. Getting down to the 4th drawer now, this is going to be all of my eyeshadow palettes. I actually don't have that many palettes. I only really kept the ones that I really truly use, and I use all of these on clients. Under here in the back is my ABH lip palette, which I always bring with me to competitions. And yeah, so pretty much I just fit all my eyeshadow palettes in here, and then this over here is gonna be what I use on the eyes for clients. So my eyelash glue, my glitter base, my eyeshadow base, all my regular liners like black eyeliner, white eyeliner, cream, liquid, pencils, and also this is my favorite client mascara. So pretty much these are all the essentials that I have with me. No matter what client that I'm doing, I always have a good amount of products from this bin. And last but not least, I have my lash drawer. So underneath all of these, of course, I have a bunch of my unopened, unused LD Authentic lashes, the best lashes for ballroom dancers. I have a ton of them with me. All the other lashes that I have here, these are all going to be my single-use eyelashes that I use on clients, so I'm always buying more. And I divided my single-use lash styles with one of these. As you can see, this here is one style, and then I divided it. This is another style, divided it. This is another style of eyelashes. So all of these are different, and then I can just pick which style and how many I want to bring to that competition. Everything just happened to fit perfectly there. And that is the final drawer. Alright you guys, that is the end of this video. If you liked this organizational kind of declutter vlog style video, definitely let me know in the comments down below. It was really fun for me to make. As always, you can catch up with me on social media over on Instagram at RickieT.Beauty or Rickie Taylor Dubovic, or both if you want, also on TikTok and Facebook as well. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye!